Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I've come with another amazing recipe. We're making fajita sandwich, so let's get started. The things we need to make sandwich are 4 bread slices, 1 tablespoon vinegar, boneless chicken 200 grams, 1 red capsicum chopped, 1 green capsicum chopped, 1 onion chopped, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper powder, cinnamon and coriander powder. I've mixed them, so that's 2 teaspoon, half teaspoon garlic powder, 4 tablespoon ketchup, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon chili sauce. Now let's make this sandwich. Take a heated pan and add 2 tablespoon oil. Now we will add chicken. We will cook this until the chicken is golden or is perfectly cooked. Like this. Now we will add onions. Mix. Now add vinegar. I'm adding soya sauce now. Add garlic powder. Adding red chili powder. Salt. Adding mixed coriander and cinnamon powder. Now I'm adding black pepper powder. Then we will add chili sauce. Add green and red peppers and mix everything well. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes. At last, add ketchup. Just mix everything well and we're done. Now I'm going to make sandwich. So take a bread slice and add the prepared mixture on it. Now do the topping with cheese like this and put another slice on it. I'm going to heat the sandwich on grill. Do not worry if you do not have a grill at home. Take any flat pan available. Now I'm applying butter with the help of a brush and carefully put the sandwich on the grill. And I'm applying the butter on top as well. And cover the lid. After a while, check if the sandwiches are done. I'm taking them out in a plate now. This is how it looks from the inside. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to like, share and comment, and please do subscribe to my channel See you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.